Realme GT6 is about to launch in the UK soon, and it's another phone powered by the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 processor. It features a fast refresh rate LTPO AMOLED display, has an impressive design, a huge battery, and fast charging capabilities, among many other great features. Today, I'll be sharing my first impressions of the Realme GT6, which is set to launch in the UK shortly. This model is a rebranded version of the Realme GT Neo 6 that was launched in China. Hey guys, it's Maiky from Maiky. Please consider subscribing and turning on notifications by hitting the bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's start by looking at the design of the Realme GT6. The phone features a titanium sky mirror design, which involves more than 30 processes to create. This design combines both matte and glossy textures, giving the phone two different texture finishes. The back of the phone uses a combination of nano mirror coating and AG glass, making it feel great to the touch. The Realme GT6 uses the latest Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 processor, offering superb performance. This processor is built on TSMC's 4nm process and has a maximum clock speed of 3.0 GHz with a super large core. The phone also features UFS 4.0 storage and LPDDR5X RAM, ensuring smooth performance for everyday use and high-end gaming. Additionally, it has a 1014 square millimeter VC cooling system to manage heat dissipation effectively. The phone also features a double-layer three-dimensional heat dissipation structure, providing excellent heat management. In actual tests, playing heavy games like Genshin Impact at full frame, the phone's temperature is 2 degrees lower compared to other phones in the same segment. Additionally, the phone uses AI stabilization technology. The phone includes a 2.0 atomic-level resource scheduling feature. This ensures stable frame rates and improved image quality during high-end gaming, while also reducing power consumption. It provides a smooth gaming experience and allows you to customize the CPU and GPU frequencies. You can pull the CPU up to 3.0 GHz and the GPU up to 1100 MHz, ensuring smooth performance at full frame rates. The Realme GT6 also has a game-specific Memory Pro function. For the display, it features a 6.78-inch BOE LTPO AMOLED screen with a peak brightness of 6000 nits, offering industry-leading brightness performance. The screen uses flagship-level 8T LTPO technology, providing an adaptive refresh rate from 0.5 to 120 Hz. The phone also has AI eye protection, which actively monitors eye fatigue and dynamically adjusts the protection settings. For battery and charging, the phone comes with a large 5500 mAh battery and supports 120-watt fast charging. This offers a perfect balance of battery life and quick charging. In actual use, the battery can charge up to 50% in just 10 minutes. The battery lasts easily for a full day with average use. The phone also supports dual-band GPS for accurate location tracking. With its IP65 dust and waterproof design, you can use the phone in light rain without worry. It also features Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for scratch protection. There are many AI features included in the phone, but I'll cover those in detail in a future review. This is just a first impression video, so stay connected with our channel for more updates. So, what do you guys think about the Realme GT6? Tell us your thoughts in the comments below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Also, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. This is me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling. I'll see you in the next one.